Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Gmail in your Instagram account. Let's get started. First off, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. My account right now is a personal account, so I won't be able to add my Gmail just yet because I have to switch this to a professional account. To do that, click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Just scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. Click that and just click Switch to Professional Account. Hit Continue until you reach this page. Just choose what best describes your professional account and then click Done. Here you just choose whichever is appropriate for your account. If you're a creator, choose creator. If it's for a business, choose business and then click Next. Tap the X button at the top right corner of your screen. And in your profile, you see the professional dashboard, which means that your account is already a professional account. Now, to add your Gmail, go to Edit Profile. Look for the contact options and click that. And just input your email in the business email field. Save the changes, then go to Profile Display. And make sure that the Display Contact Info option is turned on. If it's off, the email button won't show up on our page. So once it's on, your email button will be ready to go in your profile. And that's how you add your Gmail in your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!